Good morning. Today we are going to see next point of series LCR circuit. The point is sharpness of resonance. Okay. During the last point, we are plotted the graph of current versus frequency. What will happen instead of we are taking the same value of resistance R, the resistance R, it can be changed by taking different values. Let us suppose R1 equal to, that is the first value of the resistance where we are going to test the series LCR circuit, and we are going to plot the graph of that series LCR circuit. Let us suppose it is 1000 ohm. Next, then R1 is replaced by R2, and again series LCR circuit is tested for this resistance R2 equal to, let us suppose, 100 ohm. Next, let us suppose the R3, where we are going to replace R2 by R3, and circuit is to be tested of that series LCR circuit for R3 equal to, let us suppose, 10 ohm. That means 10 ohm is smaller than 100 ohm. 100 ohm is smaller than 1000 ohm. That means 1000 is equal to R1, 100 equal to R2, and 10 equal to R3. This relation is fixed as shown in this figure. When the graph is plotted for R1 is greater, that is the R1 equal to 1000 ohm, that is, suppose instead of by using a wheat field, suppose we use the grapes, that is R1, and instead of using wheat, sugar cane, we are using the baby corn, and instead of using last baby corn, we are using simple baby corn. That is, R is changing in the agriculture field by taking the different agriculture products. Do you understand? This is the comparison with the general life example. Unless and until you don't compare the physics concept with the general life, you cannot understand the physics. Here it is, the best example is R1, that means the different agriculture field. Let us suppose where are there, this is a grape, R2 is baby corn, or R3 is simple corn. More water is dropped across R1 as compared to R2. More water is dropped across R2 as compared to R3. That's why the graph of current versus frequency is flat for R1. There is not a sharp resonance. Resonance occurs, but we cannot fix the particular frequency where resonance occurs. Therefore, the graph for R1 current versus frequency graph is flat. Let us suppose this R1 is replaced by the resistance R2 equal to 100 ohm, then sharpness of this graph is increases. And finally, when this R2 is replaced by the R3, that is very small resistance of the 10 ohm, then sharpness is maximum. Understood? This sharpness is maximum. And what is the sharpness of resonance? If the width of the curve about the resonant frequency f0 is small, the curve and resonance are said to be sharp. Then my friends, I want to ask you a question for whether R1 is sharp graph or for R2 is sharp graph or whether R3 is sharp graph is there. Sharpness is increases as resistance is decreases. As opposition is decreases, sharpness is increases. So, how we are going to calculate that sharpness of resonance? See here. In the plot, the maximum current, let us suppose it is a 10 milliampere. This 10 milliampere is multiplied by say 0.707. What will come? Suppose 8 milliampere. Draw the horizontal line. Take carefully. Remember carefully. Listen carefully. Once again, I repeat, my friends. Let us suppose maximum current I max is equal to suppose 10 milliampere. This occurs when Z in the circuit is the minimum, impedance in the circuit is minimum. Then to this maximum current, suppose 10 milliampere is multiplied by 707. Then it is equal to not a 10 milliampere. Suppose it is a 8 milliampere. Then draw horizontal line on the that R3 curve and intersect this horizontal line 2 points. That is extrapolated on x-axis and it intersects x-axis at f1 and another point is intersects at f2. Okay, then at resistance decrease, the sharpness is increased. The sharpness of resonance equal to omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by omega 0. If omega equal to 2 pi f, it can be written in another way. F1 minus F2 divided by F0 is the sharpness of resonance. That means if the bandwidth is large, that is F1 minus F2 is large, then sharpness of resonance is large. Okay. In another word, this sharpness of resonance is depends on which factor? Can you tell me, my friends? Sharpness of resonance, my friends, is totally depends upon the resistance. If there is a easy part to the flow of the current, when the current is minimum, then sharpness is high. When there is a more opposition to the flow of the current, when that is the resistance R1 equal to 1000 ohm, then the sharpness is not observed there. What is the sharpness? The width of the curve about the resonant frequency f0 is small, then curve is said to be a resonance are said to be a sharp, or it is called as the sharpness of resonance. Then how we are going to see the calculate the sharpness of resonance? F1 minus F2 divided by F0 or omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by omega 0. This fraction is how much comes? What is the value it comes? Let us suppose F1 equal to 2000 and F2 equal to suppose 1800. 200 divided by F0 is equal to suppose F0 is equal to 15, 1500. Then sharpness is more. This sharpness of the frequency depends upon, again I want to remember you, depend upon the values of which resistance we are using. Thus, by properly selecting a circuit component, the resistance, we can change the sharpness of resonance. Of desired sharpness, suppose you are any application, you require the sharpness is more. That is, signal should be pure. Let us in the case of this Akashvani Sangli Kendra, where it is a resonance frequency is 1250 Hertz. That signal should be clear, sharpness of resonance should be high. Understood? And in another word, sharpness of resonance is equal to R divided by L upon omega 0. This is equal to Q0. Again, I want to tell you, my friends, what is Q0? Q0 is the quality factor. Then quality factor is depends upon what? R divided by L upon omega 0. That's why properly selecting a circuit components, you can obtain a desired sharpness, desired quality factor. Okay? In other words, F1 minus F2 is called as the bandwidth of the resonance. How much wide it is a band? Smaller the bandwidth, greater is the sharpness. Therefore, F1 minus F2 should be smaller in the above equation. In this equation, F1 minus F2 should be smaller, then sharpness is more. When this F1 minus F2 is smaller, when the R is small. As R increases, bandwidth increases. As R decreases, bandwidth decreases. Thus, the bandwidth and hence the sharpness of resonance is totally depend upon the value of resistance R. Okay, so up to this point, we are finished half of this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.